It said keep your eyes open, and we'll teach you to dream while you are awake. Well, they have exploded since their branches were broken for the fire that they told you.